traffic in Midtown. So I moved down south, I don't know where you are now. It's getting exhausting, trying to imagine settling down when it's already happened. A piece of my heart is stuck in Manhattan. The last 4 years, you're all I've known. I guess I forgot how to be on my own. I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone, I should've moved on.
Right on time, we fell right into each other. Couldn't pull myself away, and I know love is blind, so reputation didn't matter. It doesn't matter, does it, babe? But I've always got this feeling in the back of my mind that you'll find someone else and then you'll leave me behind. You're going out and I won't be sleeping at night. It's harder than I make it look. I guess that's why they call them trust issues, 'cause I never had them before I met you. So scared you'll break my...
Hi guys, I know you cannot hear me because of the fan, but it's too hot for me to turn off the fan. I just wanted to say I always feel so thirsty, like I don't know what is it. I just feel like I want to drink a lot of water. It's 2 o'clock in the morning.
I can tell that you can't focus. You haven't been yourself in a minute. And I know that your mom's been sick. It's been a while since we talked about it. I don't know how to ask if you're okay, but you should know at the end of the day, when you don't know how to be strong, you can't leave.
I brought this luggage compartments. It's an organizer. It's really spacious and I think I can fit all of my clothes in this. Hello, good morning. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm going to get packing right now. Today is Wednesday and it's like literally 3 days left for me to go to Dubai. So I'm going to get packing now because I also want to purchase a lot of small things after I've packed. So once I'm done packing, I will know what else I have to purchase and put it in the suitcase.
I've never been a girl who is paranoid. Got feelings that I can't avoid. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Trust issues. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. I can't cry over something that's never happened. It's never happened as it plays, so tell me why, oh why I'm making nothing into something. I'm gonna end up pushing you away. But I've always got this feeling in the back of my mind that you'll find someone else and then you'll leave me behind. You're going out and I won't be sleeping tonight. It's harder than I make it look. I guess that's why they call them trust issues, 'cause I never had them before I met you. So scared you'll break my heart. I've never been a girl who is paranoid. Got feelings that I can't avoid. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them.
I still have 5 to 6 things that I have to purchase. Along with that, I have to put in my medicines as well because I don't eat healthy food. That's the reason I stay sick throughout the year. But yeah. This is the current situation that is going on. These are all the electronics that I'm going to be taking, but I will keep this in my carry-on, and remaining I have to put this inside this suitcase. Thankfully, it is a large suitcase, so I can fit everything in it. Good morning. It's Friday. No, it's Thursday. Sorry. I just woke up. It's currently 1 o'clock. You can see that. I'm going to drink my coffee now and watch something on YouTube because I'm very bored today. I don't have anything to do today. I did had things to do today. I just skipped it because I was feeling very bored to do them.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we?
So it's Friday and I'm shopping for my trip. Tomorrow is the last day, but I'm here with my
Don't you want anything from downstairs?
we can check. Yeah, it's like 200 and then 600.
No, but that is good. Is this good? Not even about, having enough. It's about having right.
I really like this nails though.
They are doing good there.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
अगर लिया तो तुमको 10 years.
So शांत क्यों हो गए? Oh my god, I look so funny right now. But today is my last day in India. I am all packed, but I also have a lot of things to put, like small, like I need to put documents and hair straightener, hair dryer, which I'm going to put it in once I'm done with my bath or shower. So I also have to pack my backpack, which include all of my camera, tripod and everything. I'm applied some hair mask thing on my hairs. I also have to put these shoes, which are set up for drying because I washed them literally yesterday. Anyways, I am super excited to go because everyone that I'm going to meet over there is excited, and it makes me really want to go there as soon as possible. But yeah, I have to charge my camera right now because it's dead. It's literally dead. I'm meeting my friend in the evening so that I could say bye to him before I leave. And also I'm going to go to my workplace one last time because I have some handover thing to do to one of my other colleague. Yeah, I guess that's it. I'll see you guys when I pack again.
She was 19 with a baby on the way. On the east side of the city, she was working every day, cleaning dishes in the evening, she could barely stay awake. She was clinging to the feeling that her luck was gonna change. And across town, she would take the bus at night to a one-bedroom apartment. And when she'd turn on the lights, she would sit down at the table, tell herself that it's alright. She was waiting on the day she hoped a baby would arrive. She'd never be alone, have someone to hold. And when nights were cold, she'd say, the world's not perfect, but it's not that bad if we got each other, and that's all we have. I will be your mother and I'll hold your hand. You should know I'll be there for you when the world's not perfect, when the world's not kind. If we have each other, then we'll both be fine. I will be your mother and I'll hold your hand. You should know I'll be there for you. They were 90 and were living at the days on the west side of the city, next to where they got engaged. They had pictures on the walls of all the memories that they made. And though life is never easy, they were thankful that they stayed with each other. And though sometimes were hard, even when she made him angry, he would never break her heart. No, they didn't have the money to afford a fancy car, but they never had to travel, cause they never be apart. Even at the end, their love was stronger than the day that they first met. They'd say, the world's not perfect, but it's not that bad if we got each other, and that's all we have. I will be your lover and I'll hold your hand. You should know I'll be there for you when the world's not perfect, when the world's not kind. If we have each other, then we'll both be fine. I will be your lover and I'll hold your hand. You should know I'll be there for you.
Finally done with my packing. It took everything out of me to push this suitcase and close the chain. It was very heavy, and also my suitcase is so full, like there is nothing that I can put extra. It's just 30 kilos, and my bags I have to take 2 because there are a lot of stuff. So I'm tired. Yeah. All set to go. Here's my bag. I'm going to miss my teddy bear.